Hi, John George here, founder of Inflow Education, author of the book Teenage Zen, A Simple Path to Academic Success and Inner Peace, and maths tutor for the past 15 years. Hopefully you were able to watch the previous video, how to motivate your child to want to study the times tables. If you haven't, just click on the link below and you'll be able to watch that. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my system, my science of how to learn a particular times table in less than 5 minutes. Now I use it using a principle I've called the ABC method. So in my time as a teacher, I've had a class of 30 students in front of me and I learned all their names in about 6 minutes using this method I call the ABC method. So I learn a few names, I go back to the beginning. A couple more, go back to the beginning. My brain starts to get the message that this is actually important and it sinks it in faster. So I use this principle in learning the times tables. So for example, with the 3 times tables, the student is learning these for the first time, I put them in order. Firstly. Now I give them 4 seconds per question. If they take longer than 4 seconds, I rub it out. That's right, I rub it out, we start again. If they make a mistake, I give them the answer, but we rub it out and we start again. Now there's a little bit of frustration at the beginning, but once they start to realize they're actually learning it faster because of the fact they're going back to the beginning, the brain gets that message that this really is important, they sink it in so much faster. This usually takes about 1.5 to 2 minutes. And they've got all of them in order. Once they've got them all in order, I write the 3 times tables in a mixed order. Same thing applies, 4 seconds per question. Any longer, we rub it out, we start again. If they make a mistake, I give them the answer, we rub it out and start again. This usually takes another 2 to 3 minutes. So within 5 minutes, they've got them in order, got them in a mixed order. Now to have a little bit of fun, I get my watch out, my timer, and I tell them, I'm going to time you to see how fast you can do these 12 questions. So I hit the timer and we record their time. Now before they go into this, I remind them, I train them to stay calm and to concentrate, to stay in the zone. And I tell them, trust whatever number comes up. Don't overthink. If a number pops up when you're really calm, trust it and write it. And then we go again and we try and beat that time. They really love beating their own time and improving their scores. Now, after doing this for many, many years, I'll be honest with you, I thought, is there a way to automate this? Because it is time-consuming, writing, rubbing out. Fortunately, we have automated that. We've created an app called 5 Minute Math. And the great thing about it is it's programmed to teach the way I teach. So you go into practice mode, and for example, go into the 3 times tables. You have to do them in order. It gives you 4 seconds. If you take longer, it starts again. If you make a mistake, it gives you the answer, you start again. Once you get through practice mode, you go to the quiz mode. And in the quiz mode, they're in a mixed order. Same things apply, 4 seconds or less, or if you get it wrong, you start again. Once you get through that, you've got the mad minute, which is do as many as you can in a minute, and it records your highest score. So it keeps track of fastest times, your highest scores, and kids are just going to really enjoy trying to beat their own time. So how do you get access to this app? Well, there's a couple of ways. You can either go into the App Store, or into Google Play and search 5 Minute Math, or you can click on the link below. The great thing is we've got a trial version, so the 2 times and the 3 times are free for you to try this out, see if it works. If you want to go straight into the full version, it's $1.99, and you can go, as I said, go into the Google Play or the App Store to access that. I trust this has been of benefit to you. Remember to learn well, laugh often, and live a balanced life.